Okay, so what we got here is a Ford Wildtrak 2023. It is now installed with the Cobra CAT 2 Immobiliser system. It's insurance approved, so you will need to have this tag to be able to disarm the system. So if a thief copies or clones your key or tries to steal the vehicle because they do not have the tag, the vehicle will not turn on. So it's fully immobilized. So what you got to do when you get in the vehicle, you need to disarm the system. So use the tag provided. You touch it in your disarm position location, and now the light is not blinking. So now you can turn the vehicle on, and now the vehicle is on. So no tag, no start. If you want this done on your vehicle, the CAT 2 Immobiliser, which is insurance approved from Cobra, give us a shout. See the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comments at Car Sound Security and Info Gansu IG2 6QA.